Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my first official Walgreens video of the new year. I've missed you guys. Hopefully everything will be going smoothly going forward where I'll do a video for Walgreens every single Sunday. What I want to focus on, not just things that you can get for free or make money buying at Walgreens, which we can do that every week, but I also want to show you some of the best grocery deals, both food and like paper products and dish soap and laundry detergent. When their sale price drops below what the average grocery store price would be, because I know grocery prices are rising and people are looking for alternate ways to save on groceries, and popping into CVS or Walgreens, if you know what's on sale that week, you can save quite a bit of money. The other thing I want to point out, lots of clearance. I'll include pictures at the end of the video, but lots of the Walgreens stores are going through renovation right now. I know a number of them in my area are going through renovation where they're adding like a medical office inside Walgreens. And so that reduces the space in the store that they're able to sell products. So they're putting a bunch of the products on clearance. So just keep that in mind. Check the stores near you. Again, I live in a big city, so I have so many Walgreens, even just within 5 miles of me. But my favorite one, I'm disappointed because that's the one I was at this morning, and they are going through that renovation. They're starting to mark down stuff. So I saw tons of items marked down. But I'm sad because it's going forward, reduce the number of items that they carry, which means that we won't be able to get as many deals at the stores that do those renovations. So that being said, just check your Walgreens. I just asked the employees, hey, are y'all going through renovation? Because I just noticed a bunch of markdowns, and they confirmed that that was what was going on. But I did find, and I say my girlfriend sent me a picture of this last night. These Nutter Butters were marked down 90% off to just 50 cents. So double check your store and see if they're marked down at your store as well. If they're not tagged, just ask an employee to scan it. See if it's full price, see if it's been marked down. Clearance can vary by store. I went to 2 stores this morning. One had it on clearance, the other one did not. Now, let's talk about some of the easiest deals this week. The Colgate. These are buy 2, get $4 in Walgreens cash. They're $3.99 each, but clip the $4 digital coupon. You'll pay $3.98. You'll get back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it completely free. Now, if you place this as a curbside order, you can also use the promo code FAST10 that's taking 10% off after the coupons come off. So it's going to take off another 39 cents, leaving us to pay $3.59, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it free, and a 41-cent moneymaker on 2 toothpaste. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash and still get Walgreens cash back. Now, another deal just like that is on the 7th generation products. Again, this week, they're buy 1, get $2 in Walgreens cash. So if you buy 2, you're going to get $4 in Walgreens cash. If you buy 3, you're going to get $6 in Walgreens cash. That's a lot of question a lot of people ask me, can I buy more than one in one transaction? Now, this one right here is $3.19. Again, if you place it as curbside, use that code FAST10. It'll take off 32 cents. You'll pay $2.87 and then get back $2.87 or get back $2 in Walgreens cash, making it just 87 cents. Now you can use Walgreens cash to pay and still get Walgreens cash back. This one I found last week. I did not find it this week. It was only $2.79. So obviously this one's $3.19. This one was $2.79. So this one's a little bit cheaper. But these wipes right here, cleaning wipes, also $3.19. Use that code FAST10. It's going to make your final cost just 87 cents. There was also a spray cleaner. That one started at $3.59. So most of the 7th generation products in the kitchen area were buy 1, get $2 in Walgreens cash. So great deal, especially if you love the 7th generation products. Now the Tide. I know so many people love Tide. These are 4 for $9 this week, which is already a good price, but that FAST10 code is applying to these as well. So you buy 4 at $9 total. Use that code FAST10. It'll take off 90 cents, leaving you to pay $8.10 or just $2.02 each. And this is a mix and match deal. It is Tide Downy and Bounce products that are 4 for $9, so you can mix and match them. Now, Arm & Hammer, that's not a brand that I love, so I did not purchase it, but those are buy one, get two free, so I'll pop that deal up here on the screen. It actually ends up being a little bit more expensive than the Tide this week, I believe, and I prefer Tide, so that's what I got. Now, the complete home bags. All different sizes, all different price points. They are buy one, get one free, but the Fast 10 code is working. So if you picked up these sandwich bags, those are $2.79 each, minus the buy one, get one free sale, that's $2.79, minus the code Fast 10, 28 cents off, you're gonna pay $2.51, or just $1.25 each. Now, like I said, my store had clearanced out a lot of stuff because they are remodeling. I found these bags here, the double zipper seal gallon size. These were clearanced out to like $1 something, and I'm like, I don't know if it's gonna ring buy one, get one free. Normally it does. It did, so I ended up paying just 89 cents per box on these for myself. The toilet paper. So this is a great deal. Again, you can mix and match this with the paper towels, but pick up 2 products. So 2 of the toilet paper, 2 of the paper towels, or 1 of each. They're buy one, get one half off. They're $5 to begin with. So 1 will be $5, 1 will be $2.50. If you're placing as a curbside order, use the code FAST10 because it'll take 75 cents off, leaving your final cost to be $6.75 for both of them, or $3.37 each. And I do have 2 of them. They just wouldn't fit on my table. Now, another really good deal is on the Finish. These have an Ibotta offer as well as a digital coupon. They're $4.99. Use the $1.50 digital coupon. The Fast 10 code takes off another 35 cents, leaving you to pay $3.14, getting back $1.25 on Ibotta, leaving your final cost to be just $1.89 for 18 of these Finish dish tabs. I believe I got a little bit better deal at Walmart this past week, but great deal. You can use Walgreens Cash to pay. You can use Register Rewards to pay. Let's talk about food real quick. So the Skippy peanut butter is 2 for $6. There is a $1 digital coupon, which makes them 2 for $5. Use that code FAST10, it'll take another 50 cents off, leaving your final cost at $4.50 or just $2.25 per peanut butter. Same deal going on with the Prego. I did not buy the Prego this week. I pulled this out of my pantry. They're 2 for $5. Use the code FAST10. It's going to take off 50 cents. That leaves your final cost $4.50 for 2 of them, or $2.25 each. The oatmeal, again, I pulled this out of my pantry, but this deal is still going on if your store has it. They are $2.99. If you can place it as a curbside order, use the code FAST10. It takes 30 cents off, leaving you to pay $2.69. But check your Ibotta. I had a $2 rebate on this, making it just 69 cents, which is a totally inexpensive breakfast. I don't prefer the quick. I like the rolled oats better, but I love oatmeal in a lot of different ways. I throw a bunch of fruit in it with some cinnamon or like peanut butter and cranberries. I like oatmeal. Now, this is a great deal on the Cheerios or any of the General Mills cereals this week. They're $1.99, get 2 of them. There's a $1 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $2.98, get back $1 on Ibotta, making your final cost $1.98 or just 99 cents per box. If you're not using Ibotta yet, definitely grab the app. It's an amazing app. It's free. It gives you rebates. I have a complete tutorial on the app if you want to check it out. But even better, join using my referral code. You'll score an additional $10 when you scan your first receipt. Okay, so I told you about all of this. The only one I'm missing, the Revlon. I picked up this Revlon Color Stay Overtime, and I'm looking to see if it'll tell me what color it is. Oh, here we go. No coffee break. There's no such thing as no coffee break in my life. Okay, $3.49. There was a $3 digital coupon, making it just 49 cents. But check your coupons. There were Rimmel coupons. There were CoverGirl coupons. There were Revlon coupons. So check those coupons and then see which store or which products are on clearance in your store because that makes a great matchup. Now, if the coupon is $3 and the item is $2.49, anything less than $3, that digital coupon will work if you place it as a curbside order. If it is $2.49 in store and you have a $3 digital coupon, it won't come off. I don't know why it's different, but that's something I wanted to share with you. So it's better to place that as a curbside order because the digital coupon will just automatically adjust down to the clearance price. The other things, I noticed quite a bit of sunscreen marked down, 50, 70, and even 90% off. I grabbed a copper tone, which I realized I forgot to put on my table, was 90% off. It was $1.19 for that spray copper tone. And the 2-liter sodas are 3 for $4. You can throw it. All right, so this was the Copper Tone sunscreen, the Copper Tone Complete at $1.19. The sodas, and y'all know I have a thing for ginger ale, 3 for $4. Not the best price. It used to be like $1 a bottle was the stock-up price, but it's getting more expensive. So at 3 for $4, I typically will buy it because I can use my Walgreens cash or register rewards to pay for it. That was it. Hope you guys are having a fantastic start to your week, and I should be back in business for a Walmart Target haul this coming Wednesday. Thanks.